Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial of Document Management System. Agenda. Today in this training video, we will learn about the show recursive document feature functionality in detail. Objectives. Objective of this training is to understand the following. What does the show recursive document feature include? How can a user use the show recursive document feature and search for a document by number simultaneously? What is the purpose of using it? How they help in DMS working? Prerequisites. To perform this activity, the user must have a tenant account and admin role with organization access. Additionally, the user also must have the access to the DMS form. Show recursive document. The Show recursive document checkbox allows users to view all documents at once within a selected folder hierarchy. When a user selects a folder that contains multiple subfolders and documents, enabling this option displays all documents from the current folder as well as from all its subfolders in a single consolidated view. This eliminates the need to open each subfolder individually. This feature is especially convenient when users want to quickly review or locate documents stored across multiple levels of folders, as it provides a centralized view of all related files in one place. The Show Recursive Document checkbox is disabled at the DMS form header level. To use this feature, the user must navigate inside a specific folder. Once inside a folder, the checkbox becomes enabled and can be selected to display documents recursively. Let us understand this in detail by navigating to the Onfinity system. Please log into system using tenant account and admin role with organization access. Once logged in, please open DMS web form from the menu. First, the user selects the HR Department Documents folder to view the uploaded documents within it. Initially, the folder displays 9 uploaded documents, indicating that a total of 9 documents are uploaded in this folder. Next, the user enables the Show Recursive Document checkbox in the header section of the DMS form. Once enabled, all documents from the parent folder and its subfolders become visible within the parent HR Department Documents folder. As a result, the document count increases from 9 to 16, reflecting the inclusion of documents from the subfolders. This feature is especially useful for quickly reviewing or locating documents stored across multiple folder levels, as it provides a centralized view of all related documents in one place. When the user disables the Show Recursive Document checkbox, the count returns to 9, showing only the documents of the parent folder. Next, the user then navigates to the Policies 2025 folder, where only one document is uploaded. By enabling the Recursive Document checkbox in this folder, the total documents displayed increase to 4, which includes documents in the current folder and its subfolder, Senior Level Policies documents. However, documents from the parent HR Department Documents folder are not included because the recursive view only applies to the current folder and its subfolders. In summary, the Show Recursive Document feature provides a consolidated view of all documents within the current folder and its subfolders, excluding any parent folder documents. The user first disables the Show Recursive Document checkbox and returns to the HR Department Documents parent folder by clicking on it. Next, the user can use the Show Recursive Document feature and search for a document by its number simultaneously. Sometimes the user knows that a document with a specific document number has been uploaded in the specific folder, but is unsure in which subfolder it is located. To address this, the user enables the Show Recursive Document checkbox, which displays all documents from the parent folder and its subfolders. Then, the user selects the document number checkbox and enters the document number in the search field. For example, entering 100211 and pressing Enter. It allows the system to filter and display the document based on the entered number. By using this way, the user can efficiently use the Show Recursive Document feature and search for a document by number simultaneously. Now, the user disables the Show Recursive Document checkbox and returns to the header of the DMS form by clicking My DMS. At this level, the Recursive Document checkbox is disabled and cannot be enabled from the header. To use this feature, the user must navigate into a specific folder. So, in this video, we have covered the functionality of the Recursive Document feature. The remaining document search options will be covered in later videos. Thank you.